Junior, you and Shirley.
Somebody else ask.
We're gonna do the front and back patrol. Yeah.
Oh my God! Yes! Do it, girl.
Yeah, good choice.
I asked you if it was something real and you said no.
Oh my God! Gift card. That's a gift card.
Chris, what am I going to do with the chicken?
But there's a $5 there's a $5 Fortune gift card too. Look, it's okay.
Oh my God!
Well, there's. Did you guys take the egg out?
Yay! I got it.
There's an egg.
Ooh.
Be careful, it's real.
There's an egg. It's okay, Jack. It had to stay in my room for 2 days.
You don't put the lid on it, but there's also a gift card. There you go. Oh yeah, there's a gift card. Jamaica for it.
Yeah, top of that. Its name is Jack.
It's a girl. It lays eggs.
I named it Jack, by the way. Its name is Jack.
Take a picture with
You
you.
gotta leave it out.